Hello, everyone. Welcome to Transformational Thursdays. We are suffering a lot when seeing our family members, our friends, our relatives, and our near and dear ones suffer due to COVID 19. Life has changed for us all, but it is important for us to understand the virus and deal with it in an appropriate manner. Welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Reshma, the catalyst as I like to call myself. Today, we will be talking about how to increase the oxygen levels in our body. And we will talk about 5 natural, simple ways to increase the oxygen levels that should help in reducing the dependence of oxygen tanks. The first and the foremost, change your diet. You need to include antioxidants in your diet because antioxidants allow the body to use oxygen more effectively, increasing the oxygen intake in digestion. When looking to boost antioxidants intake, we need to see for foods more that have more antioxidants like blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, kidney beans. These are the foods. Another critical protein that is very important to increase the oxygen level is essential fatty acids, vitamin F, which also helps in increasing the oxygens in the body. The third most important food is the iron rich foods. They also help increase the oxygen levels in our body because they boost the blood circulation in the body. And when the blood circulation is boosted, it provides oxygen to the heart, the lungs, and other parts of the body, increasing the oxygen levels. Drinking water. We all know how important water is for our body. We are made up of 60%, more than 60% of water. And so we need to understand that the intake of water will also help us increase the oxygen levels. We all know water as it is H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. We need that oxygen for our body. So please take more water so that the oxygen level increases. Keep in mind that caffeinated drinks, alcohol is dehydrating and is not good for the body. To increase oxygen levels in the body, you will have to increase the intake of water throughout the day. So drinking water is very important. Another important thing is breathing exercises. To increase the capacity of our lungs, we need to do some breathing exercise that will increase the oxygen levels in our body. We will have a separate video on breathing exercises, but just to help you understand, breathing exercises improves the lung function in our body and helps relax our mind and body. Relaxation techniques. Again, people can practice yoga, relaxation exercises, meditation that will help the body to be calm. And by practicing these relaxation techniques, the body becomes free and it helps in boosting the oxygen levels in the body. Proning. Proning is another technique that is being told to COVID patients in the hospital so that they do not require additional oxygen support. So proning improves ventilation to the lungs and keeps the alveoli units open and thereby easing breathing. So proning also is very helpful and recommended by many doctors, and also the Ministry of Health recommends proning. I hope you find this video very useful and also share it with your friends and family. If you really like it, please show a thumbs up to the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment on the video. and please shower your love and encouragement by doing so. It will really help me do more videos of such information. So please do that, and do not forget to wear a mask that covers your mouth and nose. Wear a double mask if necessary. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands on a regular basis. Maintain a safe distance from people. Please do that. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Signing off for now. Love and peace to you all. Take care.